Hey everybody. Well, a month or so ago, we decided to do a little test with organic canvas cotton potato growing bags. And I was out here yesterday and noticed that we had a problem. So I figured I would put a quick update together. I believe we have figured out why nobody sells organic cotton grow bags. That's a nice little spider. Anyway, the side of this thing is completely just blown out. Oh yeah. All right, so looks like the mold was terminal, or the mildew, or whatever. There's not a whole lot left of this, but anyhow, organic cotton untreated grow bags, not the way to go. All right. So while we're doing updates, I figured I would cover the chicken air conditioning. We're not quite getting full sun right now, but both fans are doing what they need to do. I had made an update to this and wanted to share it. In the last video, I had mentioned that we just use the built-in USB regulator. That's this guy. This side plugs into the panel and USB here. And this worked for a test. This is only rated at 1.5 amps, which is more than the standard smartphone charger at 1 amp. But the fans are rated for 5 amp maximum draw total. And I wanted to get a little bit more airflow out of them. So we got rid of this, and we got an adapter to go to a power port or a cigarette lighter. Okay, so the nuts and bolts of this is right here. I went back and I bought the adapter kit. So it has the adapter to go from the solar panel to a cigarette lighter or power port. I bought a power port, like a phone charger, and you're not going to focus. Awesome. So this is a power adapter, and the important thing about this is that both of these are fast charge ports. So they both put out 2.4 amps. And then I got on Amazon and I got a Y cable with 2 male ports here and a single female port. So we hook all this together and we end up with this monstrosity, but this gives us 4.8 amps of USB 5-volt power, which is just under the maximum rating for the fans. So it works a whole lot better. We move a lot more air. Okay, so got it all hooked back up now up here in the coop. Turn the fans off. And if we flip this back on to high, I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but you can hear them kicking on. They kick on and start drawing pretty well. So drastic improvement over this, which was to be expected. But again, this was just for testing, and it turns out it works. So hopefully that helps someone. Enjoy. And in case you're curious, this is why you always stay near your burn barrel. Occasionally, bad things happen.